To continue reassembling our hydraulic pump, install the lower portion of the housing onto the cover, making sure the pins line up in the gasket, the housing, and the valve plate. Install a new gasket onto the housing, and install the housing. This will help hold the trunnions in place and keep them from falling out when you flip the housing over. Make sure the pins line up with the holes. The marks that you placed on the housing halves before you disassembled the pump should be lined up correctly. Install the pump housing over the shaft and onto the pump cover in the correct orientation. With the pump flipped back over and installed onto a block of wood, install the washers and bolts through the pump. Install the nuts onto the bolts. Run all 4 of the bolts down to compress the spring. Torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Flip the pump over and install the inner snap ring. Make sure that it fully seats in the groove. Next, install the thrust bearing assembly. Install the outer snap ring, making sure it snaps into the groove. Install the seal spacer down around the shaft into the housing. Install a new seal into the pump using the correct seal driver. Do not force the seal in. Only put the seal in far enough until the snap ring can be installed. Install the snap ring into the groove, verifying that it snaps into the proper place. This completes our pump rebuild.